Welcome back to Cars and Coffee. Car news, hot takes, and absolutely no filters. Here's your roundup of what's happening in the car scene in South Africa right now. This week we've got logo glow-ups, electric breakouts, Bakkie power plays, and Trump doing Trump things. Let's dive in. First up, one icon gets a facelift, and we're not talking about a car. Range Rover gets a new logo for the first time in 50 years. Yes, it's finally happened. Range Rover has changed its logo, and let's just say there are some mixed feelings going around. For the first time in over 5 decades, that familiar green oval has been modernized. It's flatter, sharper, and very tech company chic. But don't panic, it's not a full rebrand. Just a gentle polish to keep things fresh. Subtle flex? Definitely. Bold move? Not really. But when you've been leading in the luxury SUV game for 50 plus years, you don't need to shout. Next, Mercedes has dropped the new CLA Shooting Brake. And let me tell you, it's giving runway-ready wagon. Clean lines, coupe vibes, estate practicality. And yes, it's fully electric. Built on Merck's next-gen MMA platform, it promises up to 750 kilometers of range. Inside, it's minimalism meets spaceship with that giant MBUX screen and zero clutter. This is for the person who needs room for their yoga mat, but they also want to flex at the robot. And just when you've learned how to pronounce J-Ku and Amoda, enter Lepas. This is Chery's upcoming premium sub-brand, officially launching in South Africa in 2026. They're aiming to bring sharp design, smart tech, and even more pressure to mainstream brands already sweating Chinese competition. So yes, another one is coming, and no, they're not slowing down. But wait, there's more. iCaur, another Chinese EV brand, is also entering the South African market in 2026. Think fully electric, smart interiors, and budget-friendly futuristic vibes. If BYD and GWM had you rethinking electric, iCaur is coming to seal the deal. Between iCaur, Lepas, and the existing way, we're about to have a lot more choice at the dealerships. And for the Bakkie buffs, Volkswagen has confirmed the 222 kilowatt Amarok Aventura for South Africa in 2025. That's the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 with 600 Newton meters of torque and a 10-speed auto. Same bones as the Ford Ranger, but way more polished. Think brawn in a business suit. Wrap the performance with less look at me and more I mean business. And finally, Trump being Trump. The US has slapped massive tariffs on Chinese EVs and car parts. And while that's an American move, it's sending ripples globally. Prices are expected to go up even in South Africa, as if we need higher car prices, because these tariffs impact part sourcing, production costs, and global demand. So if you're shopping for a car soon, maybe don't wait too long. So, new logos, new Bakkies, new electric players, and the return of tariff chaos. Let me know in the comments, are you team iCaur, team Lepas, or still holding out for that badge you can actually pronounce? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next Cars and Coffee. I'm Mariska, thanks for hanging out, and as always, drink some coffee, drive something sexy, and I'll see you next time. Cool!